Hey y'all, welcome back. So today I am going to be talking about basically why I decided to share my journey, my forex journey publicly for the entire world to see. I was inspired by this guy on YouTube. His name is FTMO 1 Minute Master. He's basically doing the FTMO free trials, and so that he can hone in his strategy until he becomes good enough to try again for the FTMO challenge. Because of him, I decided I'm going to start my journey. I'm going to just like put it all out there and see what happens. One of the reasons I decided to start too was that it's always nice to look back on your journey, right? And to see where you are or how far you've come. When people become successful, everyone just see when they have made it, but nobody really see like the struggles and everything that came with that. So to be able to have that, especially on camera and recorded or documented, I think it would be a nice thing to just look back in the future, to just look back and see how far I have come. And then also I want to do this because I want accountability, right? I feel like if I'm posting my videos online, it's gonna serve as accountability for me to like do exactly what I said I'm gonna do with my trading. And I know like people who watch me too are gonna kind of hold me accountable for doing what I say. And then also like to build consistency in my life, because I feel like whatever I do in trading is it has kind of transcended into my regular life. So I want to build like little habits of consistency in my life. So if I can consistently like upload a video a week at least, I feel like that can translate also into my trading, where I can become disciplined and consistently follow my trading plan and do exactly what I say I would do. The main reason I want to share my journey is like, when it comes to trading and the world of trading and the world of finance, especially on YouTube, right? You see a lot of trading gurus like showing their fancy cars, like their fancy mansion, like, and so a lot of people, when they first get into forex trading, like that's all they see. They feel like forex is a get rich quick scheme, right? And so like that's all you see, like the glitz and glamour, but people don't really show like the ins and outs, like how they behave when they lose. Like, do they go and like cry in the rooms, or like do they go and like beat the walls, or hit on someone, or hit on something? I don't know. So everybody reacts to loss differently. Everybody always show like the wins, and also like a lot of people who do forex on YouTube or just online in general, we're only seeing them now, right? When they have become successful, when they have gone through like when they have broken through all those psychological roadblocks that you have to break through before you can become consistently profitable. Like that's like, I guess, the good part of them we're seeing. We never seen like, everything before then, right? So I feel like I am in the best spot in my life right now to be that person on YouTube, to show the, I guess, the behind the scenes of trading. Because I am currently not profitable, which is why I call this channel from zero to profitable, basically showing like my journey from making $0 in forex to whenever I become consistently profitable and making enough money, and that I can just be financially free and just living a comfortable life. So like I said, I am not profitable. In fact, in fact, I have lost a lot more money trading forex than I have made, right? So I think, and also I am not I haven't been consistent with forex, we're consistent with my trading, because I used to work as a flight attendant. I just quit like, I guess, a week or two ago now. But anyway, yeah, so I used to work as an international flight attendant, and like I didn't have a schedule. I didn't have a routine. Like every day was different. Like one day I would be in Europe, the next day I'll be in the Middle East, the next day I'll be in the US, next time I'm in Asia. So it was hard to like create any routine or create any sort of consistency. Now is the time where, like, since I've quit, I'm trying to like basically build in those routines, develop my strategy where I can become consistent and then becoming consistently profitable over time. And I also have a lot of work to do when it comes to psychology, risk management, and just like trade management. I struggle with that too. Like I struggle with basically when to exit. I struggle with having an exit strategy. So I am going to be showing all that, like, and just my process of, I guess, overcoming all the roadblocks that I have to overcome to finally become a consistently profitable trader. So yeah, like I said, I feel like I'm in the best position right now to share my journey. I want to share my journey with people, and hopefully like it inspires whoever is thinking about trading. If you're thinking about what all goes on in trading, I'm going to be sharing my losses. I'm sure there's going to be a lot of them. So yeah, I am going to share my journey with you all, and I hope that you can follow along. If it's just to, I don't know, to see me go from point A to point B, because I know I'm going to become profitable, but it's just a matter of time. So yeah, so thank you for following my journey, and thank you for watching, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.